Action Industries has every hardware component for every garage door. We have every bearing, bumper set, decorative trim option, graduated offset track clip, garage door roller, jam bracket, top fixture, universal spring cones, and so much more to keep you working. Giving our customers an advantage with a superior product is something we truly care about. This is why we source all of our hardware products here in the United States. Our hardware is the highest quality to ensure lasting and trusted parts. We've collected a huge line of products so you don't have to shop anywhere else. We carry almost anything you can think of. If we don't have it, contact our knowledgeable sales and support staff and they will happily help you come up with a solution. One of our most popular items is our drum sets. These essential hardware components for any torsion-style garage door are made from stainless steel to resist corrosion. They come in 3 styles that fit various door sizes and weights: standard, vertical, and high lift drums to suit any commercial or residential garage door needs. Another favorite item is our universal spring cones. These small-scale items are crucial for mounting and keeping torsion springs in working condition. We carry both winding and stationary cones. These 2 types work together as one by allowing tension to be added accordingly, while the other keeps the spring from releasing that tension. Our sectional garage door rollers are also a prominent piece of hardware for any residential or commercial door. To cover any job, we carry 2 and 3 inch varieties. We also offer them in nylon, silent glide, stainless steel, and specialty car wash rollers with sealed bearings. This is just a few of the vast range of hardware products we carry. We have curated our selection with our valued customers in mind. We want getting the right parts to be the easiest part of your business. With Action Industries, we offer no order minimums, so grab a couple items for a specific job or stock your warehouse or service vehicles. For the most vital hardware parts to keep your garage door functioning, we have you covered. At Action Industries, we have every part for every door.